Measles. Introduction. Measles is highly infectious. Select true or false. Correct. You should isolate yourself for up to 5 days if you have measles to prevent it from spreading. Stay away from sick people and wash your hands frequently to avoid getting measles. Is measles a common illness in the United States and other developed countries? Select yes or no. Correct. Measles rarely happens in developed countries where a vaccine is widely available. Which one of the following is a symptom of measles? Choose one of the following options. 1. Fever. 2. Feeling run down and achy. 3. Tiny white spots with bluish centers found inside the mouth. 4. All of the above. Correct. Fever, achiness, feeling run down, and tiny white spots with bluish centers inside of the mouth are all symptoms of the measles. Which one of the following groups of people should get vaccinated against measles? Choose one of the following options. 1. 12-month-old children. 2. 12-year-old children. 3. Adults who have never received at least one dose. 4. All of the above. Correct. How long after receiving the measles vaccination should women wait to become pregnant? Choose one of the following options. 1. 10 days. 2. 12 days. 3. 22 days. 4. 28 days. Correct. A woman needs to wait at least 28 days to become pregnant after receiving the vaccine. Is there a cure for measles? Select yes or no. Correct. The best thing you can do is provide supportive care until measles symptoms go away. A vaccine is available to help prevent measles. Thank you for using Explain.